Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the remote control set, S7MAX by LUDTBF. A complete accessory bundle designed to enhance your home entertainment experience. This set is compatible with USB storage devices, power cables, and multi-port hubs, aiming to simplify connectivity for multiple devices at once. The S7MAX comes in a striking blue color and supports up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to manage their television or media setup more efficiently. One of the standout features of this kit is its remote finder capability. Misplaced your remote? This has you covered, helping you locate it quickly without interrupting your viewing experience. Installation is straightforward. The set is designed to be plug and play, with strong compatibility across various televisions and media hubs. So you won't need to fuss with complicated setups or drivers. The build quality is also worth noting. LUDTBF promises a durable construction that can withstand regular use, and the package includes an 8-piece accessory bundle, ensuring you have everything you need in one purchase. From power cables to the multi-port hub, each component is engineered to streamline your entertainment setup while keeping your devices charged and connected. In terms of design, the compact size of 6 by 3 by 2 inches and a weight of just over a pound means it won't clutter your space. The S7MAX is designed to fit seamlessly with your existing setup, whether you're integrating it with a modern smart TV or an older television that requires multiple connections. Although currently unavailable, this sets itself apart with a balance of convenience and functionality, aiming to eliminate cable clutter and provide a smoother remote control experience. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one accessory set to enhance your home media system, the remote control set, S7MAX, offers a thoughtful combination of compatibility, durability, and user-friendly features. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a product breakdown. See you in the next video.